Oh my goodness, did that work? Okay, well, anyway. Someone's been detected at my front door. All right, anyway, hey, welcome in, welcome in. This is Pam Belders at Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I'm coming to you live on Sunday, the 16th of November. I don't know if I'll be coming live next week because I will be out of town. Anyway, I'm doing an unboxing real quick, and then may do a sample later at 8 because I've been running around errands. Anyway, and my grandson was in town, so here it is. So here's my box, and this is going to be used in the next class that I have. So we got the Forever Plaid 3D embossing folder. Can y'all see that? Alrighty. And then I also got the frosted iridescent dots. I think that's to go with the other thing. I also got this for the paper pumpkin, the Abundant Joy die. So I'll have to use this on the paper pumpkin that I'd already demoed before. And I didn't know I got this, the Balmy Blue ribbon. Ooh, it's silky. It looks like it's Balmy Blue. Oh, it's nylon. Anyway, there's that. And when I got this cool punch, I don't know how long it'll be in the catalog, but hey, it's in the catalog right now. So, and then I got this paper, which is the traditional Christmas, which will do the gingerbread man with. We'll do this as a background paper. I got 2 of them. I've got so much Christmas paper, it's not funny though. But hello, who doesn't like Christmas paper? And then I got this one, which is the Modern Christmas. And I've made some cards out of this, but I got my own. I went to a class where I got to use this, so I was like, I gotta get that too. Anyway, that is it. All that's in the box. And so now, I guess I need to get cracking on demoing out these cards. But my class is December the 6th, and that is a Saturday afternoon at 4:30, I believe is what I have out there. And you can get this to go or in person. The to go will be sent after the 6th. But if you sign up, it's $36, and we make 4 cards, and then I'm going to give you enough to still make more cards. Okay, so you'll have extra, extra stuff. If you want to add on the 2 the sets that go with it, then you can do that also. Anyway, that's all I've got right now. I know that was only a quick couple of minutes. I'll save this, and we'll see what goes on. So anyway, thanks for watching me live or replay. I really appreciate you. If anybody does comment on this video, I know I have not done a drawing in a long time. So if you comment on this video that you're interested in the class or saying hello, or you share the video, if you share the video and then like it and put on there that you shared it, then I'm going to put you in a drawing to win something. So anyway, oh, did I show you all those other cards that I made? Look. So cute. I don't know if I posted this yet. But anyway, there's that. Look, the little bird on there. Made it into an ornament. Too cute. Anyway, thanks for watching me. Talk to y'all later. Bye.